having operations on decimals. We will have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimal numbers. Now let's begin with adding. So take note, to add decimals, it's like adding whole numbers. The trick is to make sure you have lined up the decimal or the place value columns. Meaning, ang mga decimal points nato naka-align, ang mga ones place, mga hundreds place, mga tens, naka-align na sila. So, dapat mauni atong timanan all the time. When we do addition, all the decimal points should be aligned. Now, let's do this example. So, if I'm gonna be solving this, I'll be adding 13.5 and 2.638. I'll be writing 13.5. Asa man ako ito nung ang 2?
Sa 3, sir, sa 3.
Okay, ako ito nung ubos sa 3 and the decimal point nagtungod.
Sa decimal point sa babaw.
Correct. Nya ang 6 asa itungod ang 6.
Sa 5, sir.
Okay, very good. 6 then 3 8. And let's do addition here. Now, para dili ta malibog, we can put zeros above. Okay? Now, let's do addition now. 8 and 0, how much do we get? You'll be getting 8. What about 3 and 0? 3. What about 6 and 5?
11.
Do I write 11 here? What do I do?
1.
You
1.
bring down 1. What do I do with the other one? Carry.
Carry 1.
And then you add 2, 3, and 1. How much do we get? 6. And do not forget to bring down the decimal point as well. And then 1.
1.
So this will be the answer for our first example. Is the first problem clear? Example, claro? Let's proceed to another example. So I'll be aligning. So 18.556. Asa man ako isuwat si 211? Sige, go.
556.
Asa man ako itunong si 211?
Sa 556, sir.
Dili sa 556.
100, sir, kay ayang 2, kay mag-una din ang
Mag-
1 og 1.
Mutunong sa 18. Am I right?
Oo.
So,
Ang 11 is 8.
okay, correct. Kana. Na decimal point 0.4. So take note ha, itunong jud ng mga decimal points. Yeah, you can add a 0 there. Let's do addition. How much is this? 6. What about 5 and 4?
9.
9. What about 5 and 0?
5.
5. The decimal point, bring down. 8 and 1, 9. 1 and 1, 2, and bring down 2. That's your answer. Okay? So this is your answer. Now let's proceed to another example. What if I'm gonna be adding 3 decimal? Yes, go on. What's my question?
Nang ma-out ko later sir kay magsugo na sad balik among campaign.
Okay ra, basta lang ha, tubagi lang jud ang mga activities nato ha. No problem with that. Okay? Now let's proceed to another third example. What if I'll be adding 3 decimal numbers? So I'll be writing 0.236. Asa man ito nung si 2.4?
Sa 0.
Okay, so 2 na decimal point 4. What about 2.87?
Isumpay ra jud.
Isumpay niya tunong ang decimal point 8 7. No, para di ta malibog pun ana tog zeros para di ta malibog ana. 600, how much is that? 6. 307, 10. 88421.
15.
15. Correct. Bring down the decimal point. 5. So this will be your answer for example number 3. Now let's go to subtraction. The same ra gihapon siya, i-align gihapon natong mga decimal numbers, the decimal points, but You subtract after you align. You align up. Now let's have the first example. I have 14.912. Asa man ako i-align si 2 sa 2.7?
Sa 4.
Sa 4. 2.7.
7 to 9.
Let's subtract. I'll be adding zeros there, ha? You subtract 2 and 0, how much do we get? 2.
2.
1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 7,
2.
2. Bring down the decimal point. 4 minus 2, 2. Bring down 1. This is now the difference. Okay? Let's have another example. Kani, example number 2. 9.577 minus 3.604. Gitunong ang decimal points. Let's do subtraction. 7 and 4.
3.
3. 7 and 0.
7.
Can I subtract 5 and 6?
Dili.
So what do I do? Okay. So
Ka sa 9.
mahimo ning 8. Ang 5 mahimong 15. Okay, 15 minus 6,
9.
9. Then bring down the decimal point. 8 minus 3 is 5. Mo na ni answer nato. Okay? Now let's proceed over another example. I have 9. Asa man ako ito nung ang 3.604?
Ang 3
Sa
sa 9.
9. Then 0.60. So just like what we did a while ago, butangan na tog mga 0 sa babaw. Can I subtract 0 and 4? Dili. I cannot subtract. So meaning I need to borrow, 'di ba? So mahimo ning 10, mahimo ning 9. Sorry. Mahimo ning 9, mahimo ning 8. Oh, let's subtract now. 10 minus 4. 10, 6. 9 and 0. 9. 9 and 6. 3. Bring down the decimal point. 5. O, mo na na answer nato. Okay, let's proceed to another example. What about this? Can I subtract 5 and 2? No. Borrow. Mahimo ning 1. Mahimo ning 15. So 15 minus 7, 8. Bring down the decimal point. 11, 1. That's it. Mo na na answer nato, right? Now let's have another one. Put zeros over here. So 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 0. Can I subtract 2 and 8?
No.
Borrow mahimong 6. 12 minus 8, 4. Bring down the decimal point. 6 and 6, 1. This will be your answer. Any questions about addition and subtraction? Klaro ra tanan ha? Klaro ra. Now let's go to multiplication. Here is the rule. To multiply numbers, just multiply the numbers, then adjust the decimal in the answer. Meaning, if you're given, like, ang gimultiply nimo has 3 decimal numbers, dapat your answer should contain also 3 decimal numbers. If ang answer nako, or rather ang given nako na 2 ka decimal numbers, ang akong answer po na 2 ka decimal numbers. Now let's apply that over example number 1. Kini. I'll multiply 2.6 by 0.4. Multiply 6 and 4. How much?
24.
24. Carry 2, bring down 4. 4 times 2 plus 2, 10. Now, my question is, how many decimal numbers are there in our given?
2.
Duha. 1, 2. Duha ka decimal numbers. Meaning, na ako'y 1, 2 decimal numbers as well. So, kabantay mo, na ako'y duha ka decimal numbers. Akong answer po, na ako'y duha ka decimal numbers. Is the first example clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What if I'm gonna make this 3.75, multiply this by 0.007. O kana saya. Let's multiply. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 7
49.
plus 3,
52.
52. 7 times 3
21.
plus 5,
26.
26. Okay. How many decimal numbers are in the given?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many numbers do we have in our answer? We only have 4, right?
4.
So what do I do?
Add
Add a 0,
0.
then the decimal
Decimal.
point,
Then
then 0. O, mo ni answer dapat nato. Kaya I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal numbers over here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's have another one. Okay, Nisha. I have 5.3 multiply by 0.75. Basta mag-multiply ta, pwede na dili itunong ang mga decimal points. Okay? Let's multiply 3 and 5. How much is that?
15.
15. 5 and 5.
25.
Plus 1.
26.
Okay. 7 and 3.
21.
21.
2.
1. What about 7 and 5?
35.
Plus 2.
37.
Okay, let's add this. We have 5. This is 7. This is 9.
3.
Asa man ibutang ang decimal point?
Between sa 3 ug 9.
Very good. Between sa 3 ug sa 9. Para na ako'y 1, 2, 3 kabuok. 1, 2, 3 kabuok decimal numbers. Let's have another example. Kini. I have 0.727 multiplied by 0.09. Sige. 9 and 7 multiply how much?
63.
63. 9 and 2 plus 6. 24. 9 times 7
63.
plus 2.
65.
Oh, where will I place the decimal point?
Add 1.
Add a 0, then the decimal point, and another 0. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal numbers. Okay, division. The division rule is so simple. You just simply divide. Dapat the divisor should be a whole number. Let's have an example. If I'm gonna divide 114.4 by 6, itunong ra jud na ang decimal point ibutang nas babaw niya. Ha? Dili na ta mag-iapihap. Ibutang na nas babaw. O 14 divided by 6 is how much? 2. Ibutang diri babaw sa 4. And I multiply 2 and 6 to get 12, right? And this is how much?
2.
2. Bring down 4. 24 divided by 6?
4.
4. 24, then 0. So what's your answer? 2.4. Ingan na rin nakasimple ang division. Basta, walay decimal ang divisor. Let's have more examples, Ana. 20 0.45 divided by 5. The decimal point, ibutang nato daan. 20 divided by 5. 4. This is 20. Bring down 4, right? What will you do next?
0.
0. You need to put 0 above. Okay, 4 divided by 5 is 0 man. Then, pwede na but i-bring down ako si 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
45 divided by 5.
9.
9. 9 times 5. 45. 0. Is this clear, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Let's have another one. What if the divisor has a decimal number? So take note, this is the rule. You must move the decimal point before you start in both divisor and dividend. So meaning, if ang divisor nako na ay usa ka decimal point, i-move it. Ang dividend pod i-move pod ka usa. Kung kaduha i-move ang divisor, kaduha pod i-move ang dividend. Now let's do that. Over here. Kapila man ako i-divide ay i-move ang decimal point. Mao man ni ang divisor. Kapila man i-move ang decimal point. Kaduha. So I'm gonna move this 1, 2 na dire. Kapila i-move ang decimal point dire. Kaduha sad, kaduha pod. Kung kaduha ka nag-move sa divisor, kaduha sad ka mag-move sa dividend. Mo na mag-add kag 0. So meaning this is 490 divided by 35. Now, 49 divided by 35. 1. 35. This is how much? 4. 1. Bring down 0. 140 divided by 35.
4.
How much? 4. Then 4 times 35.
140.
140. 0. So what's your answer here? 14 is your answer for this one. Let's have another example. Okay, ni kapilam in-move ang decimal point. Kausara. Kausara. I have only one decimal number sa divisor. So kapila i-move ni siya. Kausara sad. So ang given day nako is 27.6 divided by 6. Oh, let's divide. 27 divided by 6. 4. 24. I'll get the difference. 3. Bring down 6. 36 divided by 6. 6. 36. 0. Oh, ang answer nako is 4.6.